Redefining luxury with wooden bath designs. Wood has long been a symbol of natural beauty and timeless elegance. When we think of luxurious interior design, we often envision sleek marble finishes or sparkling glass fixtures. But recently, wood has emerged as a material of choice for high-end bathrooms, redefining what it means to create a space that is both modern and warm. Wooden bath designs offer an unparalleled combination of sophistication and tranquility, bringing the calming essence of nature into your home. From freestanding wooden bathtubs to intricate wall paneling, wooden elements in bathrooms have become the hallmark of elegant interiors. These designs blend the rustic charm of natural materials with contemporary aesthetics, creating spaces that feel like private retreats. What's more, with advancements in wood treatment techniques, wooden baths are now highly durable, water-resistant, and sustainable. In this script, we'll explore a range of luxurious wooden bath design ideas that can transform your bathroom into a haven of comfort and style. Let's dive into these awe-inspiring concepts that perfectly balance elegance, modernity, and functionality. 1. Freestanding wooden bathtubs, the epitome of luxury. When it comes to luxurious bathroom design, nothing makes a statement quite like a freestanding wooden bathtub. These tubs are masterpieces of craftsmanship, combining functionality with artistic elegance. Made from high-quality woods such as teak, cedar, or mahogany, these bathtubs are not only visually stunning, but also incredibly durable. Teak, for instance, is naturally resistant to water and mold, making it an ideal choice for bathrooms. The smooth, polished surface of a wooden bathtub exudes warmth and sophistication, creating a spa-like atmosphere in your home. Designs range from minimalist oval shapes to more elaborate sculptural forms. Imagine soaking in a deep wooden tub with clean, flowing lines that seamlessly integrate with a modern bathroom layout. For a more rustic touch, you could opt for a tub with visible wood grain patterns, highlighting the material's natural beauty. Some luxurious wooden bathtubs also feature unique finishes, such as a glossy lacquer or matte oil coating, which enhances the wood's texture while providing protection. Paired with sleek chrome or brass fixtures, a freestanding wooden bathtub becomes the centerpiece of any elegant bathroom. 2. Wooden vanity units, a fusion of functionality and style. Vanity units are a crucial element of bathroom design, and wooden vanities bring a sense of warmth and luxury that other materials can't match. Whether you prefer a modern, minimalist look or a more traditional style, wooden vanities can be tailored to suit any aesthetic. For a contemporary feel, consider a floating wooden vanity with clean lines and an integrated sink. The floating design gives the bathroom a sense of openness, while the rich wood tones add depth and character. Walnut and oak are popular choices for modern vanities, offering a balance of strength and elegance. If you're drawn to classic designs, opt for a freestanding wooden vanity with intricate carvings or paneling. These vanities often feature marble or quartz countertops, blending the natural beauty of wood with the sleekness of stone. To enhance the luxury factor, choose hardware in finishes like gold or brushed nickel, complementing the wood's rich tones. Wooden vanities also pair beautifully with under-sink lighting or backlit mirrors, creating an ambience that feels both elegant and inviting. Whether large or small, a wooden vanity is a timeless addition to any bathroom. 3. Wooden wall paneling, enhancing texture and warmth. Wall paneling is another way to incorporate wood into your bathroom design, adding texture and warmth to the space. Wooden panels can be used to create a feature wall, framing a bathtub or shower area with natural beauty. Vertical slatted wood paneling is particularly popular in modern interiors, as it creates a sleek, streamlined look while maintaining a sense of coziness. Lighter woods like birch or ash are ideal for smaller bathrooms, as they reflect light and make the space feel larger. For a bolder statement, darker woods such as walnut or wenge can be used to create a dramatic, high-contrast effect. Reclaimed wood is another excellent option for wall paneling, offering a sustainable and unique aesthetic. The weathered textures and imperfections of reclaimed would add character to the bathroom, making it feel like a custom-designed retreat. To ensure durability, wooden wall panels are often treated with waterproof coatings, allowing them to withstand the humidity of a bathroom environment. Wooden wall paneling is not only visually stunning, but also incredibly versatile, allowing you to experiment with different layouts, tones, and finishes to create a look that's uniquely yours. 4. Wooden sink basins, elegance in every detail. While sinks are often overlooked in bathroom design, wooden sink basins bring an unexpected touch of luxury to the space. These basins are carved from solid blocks of wood, resulting in unique, sculptural forms that elevate the overall design. Teak and cedar are popular choices for wooden sink basins due to their natural water resistance. These woods are often finished with protective coatings that enhance their durability while highlighting their rich, natural grain patterns. Whether you choose a round basin with smooth curves or a rectangular design with clean edges, a wooden sink becomes a functional work of art. Pair a wooden sink with a sleek countertop, such as marble or concrete, for a striking contrast. Wall-mounted faucets in brushed brass or matte black add a modern touch, completing the look. Wooden sink basins are a testament to the fact that even the smallest details can contribute to a bathroom's luxurious feel. 5. Wooden flooring and accessories, completing the look. No luxurious wooden bathroom is complete without the perfect flooring and accessories to tie the design together. Wooden flooring adds a cohesive, natural feel to the space, creating a seamless transition between different elements. Engineered wood or treated hardwood is commonly used for bathroom flooring, as it offers the beauty of natural wood with added durability and water resistance. Accessories such as wooden bath trays, towel ladders, and shelving units further enhance the design, providing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. A wooden bath tray, for example, can hold candles, books, or a glass of wine, transforming your bathing experience into a moment of pure relaxation. For a cohesive look, choose accessories that match the wood tones used in your bathtub, vanity, or wall paneling. This creates a harmonious design that feels intentional and elegant. By incorporating wooden flooring and accessories, you can elevate your bathroom from a functional space to a true sanctuary. Conclusion: elevate your bathroom with wooden elegance. Wooden bath designs represent the perfect blend of luxury, nature, and modernity. They transform ordinary bathrooms into serene retreats, offering a warm and inviting ambience that's hard to achieve with other materials. From freestanding wooden bathtubs to intricate wall paneling and elegant accessories, these design ideas showcase the endless possibilities of wood as a material. What's more, advancements in wood treatment techniques have made these designs both durable and sustainable, proving that luxury and eco-friendliness can go hand in hand. As you explore these ideas, remember that your bathroom is more than just a functional space. It's a reflection of your personal style and a place to unwind and recharge. By incorporating luxurious wooden elements, you're not only creating a visually stunning interior, but also embracing the timeless beauty and tranquility of nature. Let these designs inspire you to reimagine your bathroom as a haven of elegance and comfort.